Alrighty, boys and girls. This poor guy here hit that lady. Where'd she go? She gone. He is not happy. He got out and was slamming his hood and punching the air. Now he's trying to rip the bumper off. Just drive it off. Do the drive of shame off the road. He's doing it. Go for it. Oh! What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Corey and I am Platinum Built. Today, you are gonna figure out how you can build your truck for free. Well, maybe not for free, but almost. Do me one favor real quick. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. Let's go. Oh my God. All right, guys, our HQ is in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and it is like 0 degrees outside with a negative wind chill. Not cool, too cold for me. Anyways, little disclaimer really quick. This video is going to be a rant. I'm gonna sit here and tell you guys how you can get free or discounted truck parts. So if you're not into that, skip on to the next video. I'm making this video because here at my shop and online, I get emails and calls and questions and people stopping in and text messages saying, hey dude, do you sponsor? Do you do any type of affiliate work? Do you do anything where I can get free or discounted parts? So I'm making this video for you, the YouTube community, to figure out how it is that you can get free parts or discounted parts. So first off, the two ways that I would recommend going about achieving this goal is through sponsorship and affiliates. First things first, sponsorship is a pretty simple situation. Everyone knows what sponsorship is. You are sponsored by a company or brand. You are required to promote that company or brand wherever you go, on your media platforms, truck shows, whatever. So you're sponsored by me, my company. You're out there promoting my company and my products and whatever, and in return I give you either free parts or discounts to represent my brand. Sponsorship, very simple. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what sponsorship is. The next one is a little bit more complex, but it has a bigger return. Affiliate. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can categorize a company affiliate. The simplest way to do that is, affiliate is performance based. You are rewarded on the amount of traffic or sales that you send to the company or brand that you're working with. You're basically a salesman for that company. And in return, you get either free parts, discount on parts, credit, or I don't know how it works. Every company's different. You'd have to look through their affiliate program to see what they offer you as the affiliate. Example one affiliate. Joe Schmo down the road. He has 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. He has 10,000 followers on Instagram. He comes to me, my company, and says, hey guys, I can get you 20,000 eyeballs on your posts or on your products every day that I post. So we say, he can get us some exposure on some products. What can we do for him? In return, we give him an affiliate link or an affiliate code. So in his posts, when he's promoting a product on his pages to his people, to his followers, he has a link or a code that if they were to buy the product that he's promoting, they would click on that link or they would use his code, and then in return, when the customer pulls the trigger on the sale, the affiliate would get the credit, and he would either get paid or he would get his commission, or he would get the free parts in return for making that sale happen. That's a basic nutshell of an affiliate for a company. If you want to know more on affiliates, let me know. Drop a comment below. I can make a how to become like a detailed video of a company affiliate. Like for example, my company, mdmwheel.com. An affiliate for us would be someone out there who has a decent following on social media. They have a nice truck and they're promoting our product, and they have their own link, and then whenever the customers or whoever's looking at his post would want to buy that product, they would click on that link or use his code, and then that would in return let us know that they came to me to buy that part because of his post. So he gets paid. It's a win-win situation for the company and the affiliate. So that's the two things, sponsorship and affiliates. Those are my two personal best options for you guys out there to get, either discounts on the parts or free parts. Okay, so how can you become an affiliate, or how can you become sponsored? Let's get into that real quick. Hold on. UPS is here.
Alrighty, man. Appreciate it. Enjoy the weekend.
Yep, you too. See how nice I am? I unload the truck for the UPS guy. All right, so where were we? Back to figuring out how you can become an affiliate or how to get sponsored. Now, it doesn't work like you just call up a company and say, hey dudes, I go to these truck shows, I got a cool truck, I'll put a sticker on there and give me free parts. I'm a little out of breath from carrying those boxes in right there. They're kind of heavy. They're wheels. I'll open them later. All right, so anyways, yeah, you can't just call up a company and say, hey dudes, let me put a sticker on, I'll get some free parts from you guys. It doesn't work like that. You have to figure out how you can provide them a value or a service to make it worth it for them to either give you the discount or give you the parts for free. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. The numero uno way is through social media. It is 2018, and social media is the roller of pretty much all phases of influencers, sponsorship people, and affiliates in the aftermarket automotive industry. Now, I'm not going to make a video on how to build your social media presence because that's a whole separate topic. But that would be number one. If you don't have a social media preference, or if you don't have a social media presence, a big one, chances are that you're not going to get sponsored, or you're not going to become an affiliate because you have no people to display the parts or the brand to. So that's that. Build your social media. Post nicer pictures, post better content, post more often, post at least like every day or twice a day. Go watch a Gary Vee video on social media or YouTube, and then that will take care of that. So after you build your social media presence, get that up and going. That will give you great leverage to go to these companies and say, hey, look, I have this following here, I have this following here. This many people are going to see my post, and then they can work that out with you. After that, you want to build your network. You want to go to the local truck meets, the local car meets. Pretty much do anything that has to do with the industry that you're in, and talk to the people. Make friends. Ask this dude over here, yo, how'd you get the parts on that truck? What'd you do there? I like what you did. Just BS, network, make some friends, expand your spectrum of people that you know. I don't know. Build your network. Next, build your knowledge and passion about the industry that you're dealing with. If you call a company and you say, or if you call a company and you have no idea what you're talking about, you just want to get some parts, you're just in it for the free parts, they're not going to work with you, they're not going to deal with you. If you call a company and you're very smart and you're very passionate about what you're talking about and what you're dealing with, they're going to recognize that. If someone were to call me and they were some guru about wheels and tires, and they knew the offsets and they knew the treads and they knew the tire diameter measurement specs and this and that, You know, that would mean something rather than someone, hey dude, I have this truck, can you sponsor me and give me free tires? Like, that doesn't work. Build your knowledge and build your passion. Don't do it for just the free parts. Do it because it means something to you, and that will show through to the company. So that's about it, guys. Build your social media platforms, build your personal networks, build your knowledge and your passion about whatever company or industry that you want to get the parts from. That is a surefire way to get you on track to becoming sponsored or becoming an affiliate for a company. In return, you're getting free parts with a discount on the parts. Now, there's so many ways you can do this. This is just what I would look for me in my companies, in someone coming to me for sponsorship or affiliates. You know, you have to know what you're talking about. You have to have a network of people that can see the parts of the products that you're promoting, and you have to be passionate about it. I don't want someone to just come to me for free parts just because they want the parts for free. You know, it doesn't work like that. You have to do it because it means something to you, and that will show through. So that's about it, guys. If you're into anything in the automotive industry, if you live life to the highest quality, if you work harder than anyone you know, then you are platinum built. Hit that subscribe button for me. I like making YouTube videos for you guys. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. There is many more videos to come. I hope everyone had a great day, and if you are in the north or the northeast or wherever it's cold, stay warm because it is freezing outside, and I will catch you on the next one.